My name is Daniel Bertossa. I'm the Director of Policy at Public Services International. It's my pleasure to welcome you here today to the second session. We have a distinguished panel of guests here to share their knowledge with you. I shall be introducing them shortly. Before I do, I'd like to make a few housekeeping announcements. Spanish, as I think you've been told, is in channel 4. Wi-Fi is available without a password. Just click the WMO Wi-Fi link should you need it. We are running slightly behind. I intend to allow this session to run over at least by 15 minutes. We do need to take the full break because our friends and colleagues who are doing the interpretation will need a full break. They are working into both languages today, which is actually quite unusual. They are doing us a great favour by doing this, and we will be respecting them for that and ensuring they have an appropriate break. What that will mean is that we will slice some time off the afternoon sessions because we do need to have some discussion, particularly this morning. There were a few speakers or a few people who wished to ask questions from the first session. I've noted the ones I saw. I will be giving them priority to ask questions in this session. I do remind people that we seek comments from everybody, not speeches, and so if people could keep their comments succinct and to the point, that will assist us to ensure that everybody gets heard. I've also been asked by the interpreting staff if those who speak, both from the top table and from the floor, could speak clearly and slowly. I'm possibly the worst offender for that at times, but I will try, notwithstanding my poor modelling, I will try to encourage you to do so. Having said that, we will jump straight into the proceedings, and we have 4 speakers with us for this panel. We have Sanya Reid-Smith, who is the legal advisor for the Third World Network, Ellen Gould, who is the research associate for the Canadian Centre for Policy Alternatives to my left, and who is also the author of a joint Our World Is Not for Sale and PSI publication here that is available at the back. It's been released in the last few weeks. I'd encourage you all to take a copy. We have Stéphane Giguère, who is the General Secretary of one of the Swiss public sector unions, one of the biggest Swiss public sector union, on the end on my left, called SSP VPOD. And we have Tony Salvador in the middle here, who is a lawyer with ideals in Philippines. Without any further ado, I will hand over